I made a special video on plantation. Just for a few minutes, I wanted to talk to you to share my experiences and my thought. This is made on the special occasion of 100th video in my YouTube channel. Okay, this video, this recipe video will be the 100th video. So that along with that video, I want to share a special thought on plantation and my experiences in last 4 years, and what is the new thought I applied it this year, and I'm waiting for that, and I'm expecting huge positive results for that. Okay, let's go into the topic. We are all, especially the all educated or anyone can aware about most of the people, the greenery and plantation and the global pollution. The temperatures are getting increased because of less plants on the earth. These all things we know it. And especially when I was working in Asian Paints in my initial days, the environmental manager, they used to give the presentations. It was like scary if you cannot do the proper plantation, because all these vehicles, factories, these are all growing. So we need to stop that pollution with plantation. That kind of awareness was there, and even I'm a son of a farmer, and my father do the cultivation, but they don't do specific plantation for greenery and all. As part of their work, they do the cultivation, and some of the plants they do it, some mango or some one or two like that, but it's not something like they buy the plants only for the greenery and only for pollution. That kind of awareness will be very less for the people. Some of the people have it. Okay, I am sharing my experiences and my thoughts, what I see in the 4 years. Okay, so few may be correct, few may be, the percentage might be different and all. Okay, so that, yeah, I'm not saying any generic statements, I'm sharing my experiences. So I started my job in 2008 and all. I used to have some thoughts. Sometimes we used to do that one, and even I used to say my father. But when it comes to the 2012, 13, 14, during that point of time, I was having a dream of having a garden. I tried to buy the garden, but it was not happen. Many of our nearby villages also, we didn't find the good garden to buy, and the people who have gardens, they are destroying to make cultivation or to do something else. So 14, 15 has completed. In 2016, finally, I decided to have some plantation. Let's start. Every time we are thinking, but it's not happening. So I started the plantation. Okay. In 2016, I did around 20 plants I bought, and I went during the season of, especially in India, especially in our area, the June, July, August is the correct season to do the plantation, because a lot of rain, so that the plants can grow on their own at some point of time. So when it comes to the next summer, we can give less feeding. Okay, so this is a season where 9 months of time will come to the plants to grow on their own with the natural thing, with our little support. Without monitoring, we cannot grow it. But because of different reasons, we got only two plants were left. And later, we did with my son last year also, we did some plantation at our school, but many of the plants were eaten by some animals, and some not the caring. I'm observing that somebody is not caring when we are doing that one. Okay, just plantation is being done, and even I allocated a person, but the person also not that serious to do that one. Because what happens if you get mangoes, what income we are going to get? Why are putting this much money on this? These kind of things I observed. And in one of the years, in 2017, I did 25 plants in our cultivation land along with the banana trees. But at that point of time, again, the banana trees, because of that trees, these mangoes, and I put different fruits, but they are not growing because we are not monitoring, right? We went there and I took some 2 weeks leave. We did the plantation and monitoring, and I told my father and I told my worker who is to come. And but that I saw that one, the seriousness. If you don't have that seriousness, if you don't have that motivation, the results will not be good. So among the 25 plants, now around 7 plants were there, 18 plants were died or different things happened. Finally, the result was 7. So after seeing these continuous failures, And also I used to talk to different people, why you are not focusing on plantation? Okay, no gardens in our village, only 2 gardens are there. Earlier 10 years back I can see 10 gardens. At that time I was not having huge money, and I also buying that kind of thoughts were not there. When I get the thoughts were increased, and I have sufficient money to buy, but no gardens are available. Okay, to build a new garden completely from the scratch, it looks 2 years of continuous effort. I don't think until I get a very good person, I can achieve that one. Otherwise, one day I have to do. I don't know what time will decide. And also we used to talk to our colleagues in the, I told you, like I spoke to some village members and all. What I observed is most of the people don't bother about what will come, what income will come, because their work is cultivation. So definitely they depend on that. So they think like what income we can get it, we survive our family if I do that one, that kind of thinking. So they don't focus much on the plantation, the global warming, all those stuff will not go. Few people only can have. When it comes to city people, my colleagues who are taking tea break or coffee break, people talk a lot of things about greenery, and the global warming is coming in the next 10 years. The temperatures will increase to 5 degrees to 8 degrees. I think we cannot survive all the stuff during the 10-15 minutes of time. After that, everybody will be cool. Okay, and some people have the more intention, but they don't have a proper grounds of the villages. And some people wanted to do, but in cities we know that when people stay in apartments or rented houses, and we don't have a sufficient space to do the plantation and all. I heard some of the people go to the nearby villages and do the plantation, and they monitor. Okay, that also very good thought. So after seeing these all those things, and the people who are having good knowledge and awareness and money, okay, they can put some investment or some plans investment. All these people are mostly doing the virtual kind of thing, Facebook posts or WhatsApp status or environmental day, keeping a lot of big quotations like you have to plant, we have to do the plantation. So the people who have knowledge, money, interest, they are not at that ground level of where they can do the more plantation or those things. And the people who are in the ground, they can monitor, they can do watering, they can do some surviving, they can monitor the plants. They don't have that seriousness, and they don't have that thought to buy the plants and do the plantation, because they do the cultivation of rice or wheat, whatever their regular cultivation. So this year I thought like, okay, last 4 years I'm doing, but success is less than 10% or 20%. So this time I came with a new thought on my birthday. What I did is that new thought was, we took 20 plants, all 20 around 1 to 1.5 year growing plants. So you can see that plants height also around 6 feet, 6 to 7 feet or 5 to 7 feet were available. The plants were already 1 to 1.5 year old. Okay, we need to put a bit more price if you want to get that kind of a plants. So because for these plants, if the person takes care about around 2 years properly, then the plant will survive on its own without dependency on human. So every time we are keeping, I depend on my father, I depend on somebody, but the seriousness was not there. So this time all 20 plants were distributed to the 20 different people who have some interest and who have already doing some small plantation. On that some category, I distributed 20 plants. So now each person was given one plant, and he didn't keep money for buying the plant, and also he has only one plant. So that I'm expecting that people will keep more focus, and they will grow my plants. So this plantation was done, all the 20 plants last 2 weeks back. Around 2 weeks back it was already done, and I'm going to monitor it. If I see the positive cycle, I wanted to do every year. Maybe some occasion, this time it was on my birthday, and sometimes maybe some YouTube achievement, or else any job achievement, or my son birthday, or any kind of occasion I wanted to do. Maybe I just wanted to tell all the people, my subscribers and my students, my friends, my colleagues, anyone, if you like this thought, take a 2 plants or 3 plants or 5 plants or 10 plants based on your interest. You give in your village. If you don't have a village origin, take any of your colleague or friends village, give a 5 plants, okay, and request the people to grow it. So but we have to tell them, please grow it, because we are giving the plants, and we will tell the people to please take care of the plants and all. They will keep in their place, so they can have that ownership, and also they will treat like that plants are their plants. So finally, our motto is we need to have more plants. If it is happening with our hands, maybe anybody can grow and anybody can take the ownership. But with our efforts, some people are having plants in different places. That will give a different feel. If anybody likes the idea, please start doing that one. Especially these 2 months are very important for most of the Indian regions. Okay, so you can, this year you can do for 5 plants or 3 plants, like that every year. Try to do that one. If many people are doing that one, definitely we can see the difference. And you don't have to keep on environmental day or any kind of a greenery thing, you don't have to keep somebody Google's photo. You can keep your photo. You can do that one. I did plantation. Okay, this is the plantation. You can use your photos to wish environmental day. Okay, I'm doing that kind of thing for last 4 years. Earlier, my father used to do and all, but we just observe. But I'm doing that one, so I'm feeling that happiness and giving plants, because giving a food item, it was eaten in a day. Giving some items, it may be for few months, but the plants, it will be for years. If the person takes care properly, it will be for years. After 1 year, after 2 years, if you see that plant, whether it is giving mangoes or it is giving some different fruits, whatever, the output will be different, but we are getting a plants on our names. To this society, we are giving some greenery, some oxygen, and also some motivate, because we are in cities, we are in different countries, we are working in different places. We cannot do that one. So that lets people can grow on our names. Okay, so participate, and if you like the thought, please do some plantation. And thanks for your time. Now you can go through the 100th video, mass PO deletion. I hope you will like that video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And now 100 videos in SAP YouTube channel. So please, the people, if you like a video, please share in your telegrams or WhatsApp groups, wherever you are, so that many people will get benefit out of it. Thanks again. Have a good evening.